सब्सक्राइब कीजिए अमेजिंग टेक्नो ट्यूटोरियल्स चैनल को और बेल आइकन को दबाइए लेटेस्ट वीडियोस के नोटिफिकेशन पाने के लिए। Hello friends, welcome to Amazing Techno Tutorials. My name is Abhishek. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can download games from Apunka Games website. So first of all, you have to type Apunka Games in Google. And then you have to click on this link. After that, you will enter the website. Here you can find many games like Far Cry, Most Wanted, Assassin's Creed 2, Grand Theft Auto 5, GTA 5, Battlefield 4. So in today's video I am going to show you how you can download GTA Vice City, because one of my viewer asked me to show him how he can download GTA Vice City. So that's why I made this video. You have to open this thing, and now you don't have to worry about this button. You don't have to worry about this button also. You have to click on this link. Now you have to click on this button, close this tab. Yeah, now you have to wait for 3 seconds. Now click on this button, and then you have to wait until the game starts downloading. Here it is written, download should automatically begins in a few seconds. So you don't have to do anything, you have to just wait until the download starts. Here we go. So the download has been started. After this download completes, you have to extract this file, because this is a rare file and you have to extract it, then you can play the game. So friends, that's all for today. I hope that you like this video, and if you really like this video, please give a like and share this video to your friends, and please subscribe this channel for more videos like this. So thank you for watching. Have a great day.